I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and opening tools. Make sure your desktop OS supports widgets. On Windows, enable widgets or install a widget host, and on Mac OS, use Notification Center widgets. Next, sign into your Google account in Chrome or the Calendar app so data syncs. Once done, select the widget option in your host app or browser extension. This first step gets your calendar source ready and prevents permission errors later. Now you add and customize the widget on your desktop. You'll drag or add the Google Calendar widget from the host, then pick the size that fits your layout. Make sure to select which calendars display so personal and work events don't overlap. Adjust refresh frequency and time zone so events update promptly. If the host supports styles, change colors for quick scanning. Once configured, the widget should show live events and respect your notification settings. Finish by testing synchronization and locking layout to avoid accidental moves. Create a quick test event in Google Calendar and confirm it appears on the desktop widget. If it does not, force a refresh. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in, clear the app or browser cache, and verify permissions for calendar access and background refresh. One key troubleshooting tip: check that the widget host has internet permission and isn't blocked by a firewall, because lack of network access is the most common failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.